What happens to your body when you eat quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad? Eating a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can have several effects on your body, all of which are generally positive due to the nutritious ingredients. Let's delve deeper into the nutrient intake provided by a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad. Protein. Both quinoa and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscles, skin, and organs. It also plays a crucial role in the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Incorporating protein-rich foods like quinoa and chickpeas into your diet helps meet your daily protein requirements, especially for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fiber. Quinoa and chickpeas are rich in dietary fiber, which has several health benefits. Fiber aids in digestion by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements, thus preventing constipation and supporting gastrointestinal health. Additionally, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. It also contributes to a feeling of fullness and satiety, promoting weight management by curbing appetite and reducing calorie intake. Vitamins. Quinoa and chickpeas contain various vitamins that are essential for overall health. Quinoa is particularly rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains B vitamins such as folate, B9, riboflavin, B2, and niacin, B3, which are involved in energy metabolism and the synthesis of DNA and red blood cells. Chickpeas are a good source of folate, which is important for fetal development during pregnancy and for the production of healthy red blood cells. Minerals. Both quinoa and chickpeas provide essential minerals necessary for various bodily functions. Quinoa is high in magnesium, which is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and blood pressure management. It also contains phosphorus, which is important for bone health, and iron, which is necessary for the formation of red blood cells and oxygen transport. Chickpeas are rich in manganese, which plays a role in bone formation and wound healing, as well as in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and cholesterol. Incorporating a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad into your diet can significantly contribute to meeting your daily nutrient requirements, providing a wide array of essential nutrients crucial for overall health and well-being. Let's explore how a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can promote digestive health. High fiber content. Both quinoa and chickpeas are rich sources of dietary fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining digestive health as it adds bulk to stool, softens it, and promotes regular bowel movements. This helps prevent constipation and keeps the digestive system functioning smoothly. Prebiotic properties. Fiber in quinoa and chickpeas acts as a prebiotic, meaning it provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria ferment fiber in the colon, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which are essential for colon health. A healthy balance of gut bacteria supports overall digestion and nutrient absorption while reducing the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Improved gut motility. The combination of insoluble and soluble fiber in quinoa and chickpeas helps regulate gut motility. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting movement through the digestive tract, while soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, slowing down digestion. This balance can help alleviate symptoms of diarrhea and constipation, promoting regularity and comfort. Reduced risk of colon cancer. Diets high in fiber, such as those containing quinoa and chickpeas, have been associated with a reduced risk of colon cancer. Fiber helps keep the colon clean by binding to potentially harmful substances and promoting their excretion from the body. Additionally, the fermentation of fiber by gut bacteria produces short-chain fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties and promote a healthy colon environment. Balanced blood sugar levels. Fiber-rich foods like quinoa and chickpeas help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes, as it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Incorporating a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad into your diet can support digestive health by providing ample fiber, promoting beneficial gut bacteria, regulating gut motility, reducing the risk of colon cancer and balancing blood sugar levels. Satiety refers to the feeling of fullness and satisfaction that occurs after eating. A quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can promote satiety through several mechanisms. Protein content. Both quinoa and chickpeas are rich sources of plant-based protein. Protein is known to be more satiating than carbohydrates or fats because it takes longer to digest and provides a prolonged feeling of fullness. Including protein-rich foods in your meal, such as quinoa and chickpeas, can help you feel satisfied and reduce the urge to snack between meals. Fiber content. Quinoa and chickpeas are also high in dietary fiber. Fiber adds bulk to the diet and slows down the emptying of the stomach, which prolongs feelings of fullness. Additionally, fiber absorbs water and swells in the stomach, further contributing to satiety. By including fiber-rich ingredients like quinoa and chickpeas in a salad, you can increase its satiating effect and prevent overeating. Low energy density. Foods with a low energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories per gram of food, tend to promote greater satiety. Quinoa and chickpeas are nutrient-dense but relatively low in calories compared to foods high in added sugars and fats. Therefore, a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can fill you up without significantly increasing your calorie intake, promoting satiety while supporting weight management goals. Volume and texture. The volume and texture of a salad can also influence satiety. A large, crunchy salad with plenty of vegetables, grains, and legumes can be more satisfying than a smaller, less filling meal. Quinoa and chickpeas add substance and texture to the salad, making it more satisfying to eat and reducing the likelihood of feeling hungry shortly after. Slow eating. Consuming a salad like quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad requires chewing, which slows down the eating process. Eating slowly allows your body more time to register feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, savoring each bite and enjoying the flavors and textures of the salad can enhance the eating experience and promote satiety. Overall, a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can promote satiety through its protein and fiber content, low energy density, volume and texture, and slow eating. Including this salad in your meal plan can help you feel full and satisfied while supporting your overall health and wellness goals. Blood sugar control is crucial for overall health, particularly for individuals with diabetes or those concerned about maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. A quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can contribute to blood sugar control in several ways. Low glycemic index. Both quinoa and chickpeas have a low glycemic index, GI, which means they cause a gradual and moderate increase in blood sugar levels after consumption compared to high GI foods. Foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood glucose levels. This helps prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, promoting better blood sugar control over time. High fiber content. Quinoa and chickpeas are rich sources of dietary fiber, which plays a significant role in blood sugar regulation. Fiber slows down the absorption of glucose from the digestive tract into the bloodstream, preventing sharp increases in blood sugar levels after meals. Additionally, fiber promotes a feeling of fullness and satiety, reducing the urge to consume high carbohydrate or sugary snacks that can lead to blood sugar spikes. Complex carbohydrates. Both quinoa and chickpeas are complex carbohydrates, meaning they contain starches that take longer to break down into glucose compared to simple carbohydrates found in processed foods and sugary snacks. This slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day, reducing the risk of hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, and its associated complications. Balanced meal composition. A quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad often includes a variety of ingredients such as vegetables, herbs, and healthy fats like olive oil. This balanced combination of nutrients helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, further contributing to blood sugar control. Including non-starchy vegetables in the salad adds bulk and fiber without significantly increasing calorie or carbohydrate intake, making it an ideal choice for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Regulation of insulin sensitivity. The nutrients found in quinoa and chickpeas, including magnesium, folate, and protein, play roles in insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Magnesium, for example, is involved in the action of insulin and helps cells take up glucose from the bloodstream. Consuming foods rich in these nutrients can support overall insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. By incorporating a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad into your diet, you can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of hyperglycemia, and support overall metabolic health. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight and energy levels effectively. A quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can be an excellent choice for promoting heart health due to the following reasons. Heart-healthy fats. Mediterranean-style salads often incorporate ingredients like olive oil, which is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats are known to have beneficial effects on heart health by improving cholesterol levels. Monounsaturated fats can help raise levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol, while lowering levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. This balance can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids. Some variations of Mediterranean salads may include ingredients such as walnuts or flax seeds, which are sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are polyunsaturated fats known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in reducing the risk of heart disease. They can help lower triglyceride levels, decrease blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. High fiber content. Quinoa and chickpeas are both rich in dietary fiber, which has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and promoting its excretion from the body. Additionally, fiber can help regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation, further benefiting heart health. Antioxidants. Mediterranean salads often contain a variety of colorful vegetables, herbs, and spices, all of which are rich sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of heart disease. By including antioxidant-rich ingredients in your salad, you can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting overall heart health. Plant-based proteins. Quinoa and chickpeas are plant-based sources of protein, which can be beneficial for heart health. Plant-based diets have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease compared to diets high in animal products. Consuming plant-based proteins can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease-related events such as heart attacks and strokes. Micronutrients. Quinoa and chickpeas provide essential vitamins and minerals that support heart health, such as potassium, magnesium, and folate. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, while magnesium plays a role in maintaining normal heart rhythm and blood pressure. Folate helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By including a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad in your diet regularly, you can benefit from its heart-healthy ingredients and contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Pairing it with other heart-healthy foods and following a balanced diet and lifestyle can further enhance its cardiovascular benefits. A quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can offer several anti-inflammatory effects due to the ingredients typically included in Mediterranean-style dishes. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key component of Mediterranean cuisine and is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. Oleic acid has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties by reducing levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Additionally, olive oil contains polyphenol, which are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3 fatty acids. Some variations of Mediterranean salads may include ingredients like walnuts, flax seeds, or fatty fish such as salmon or sardines, which are sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have potent anti-inflammatory properties and are known to help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the cardiovascular system and joints. Herbs and spices. Mediterranean cuisine relies heavily on herbs and spices such as garlic, turmeric, oregano, and basil, all of which have anti-inflammatory properties. These herbs and spices contain bioactive compounds that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Antioxidants. Mediterranean-style salads are typically rich in fruits and vegetables, which are abundant sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are reactive molecules that can cause oxidative damage and inflammation in the body. By including antioxidant-rich ingredients in your salad, you can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Fiber. Quinoa and chickpeas, the main ingredients in a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad, are both high in dietary fiber. Fiber plays a role in gut health and can help reduce inflammation by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and preventing leaky gut syndrome, a condition associated with chronic inflammation. Reduction of pro-inflammatory foods. Mediterranean cuisine emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods while minimizing the consumption of processed meats, refined carbohydrates, and sugary snacks. By reducing the intake of pro-inflammatory foods and focusing on nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory ingredients, a Mediterranean-style diet can help lower inflammation levels in the body. Overall, a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can contribute to reducing inflammation in the body due to its inclusion of anti-inflammatory ingredients such as olive oil, omega-3 fatty acids, herbs, spices, antioxidants, and fiber. Incorporating this salad into your diet regularly as part of a Mediterranean-style eating pattern can support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Overall, a quinoa and chickpea Mediterranean salad can contribute to a balanced diet and provide numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, satiety, blood sugar control, heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects.